Prince Rupert's drops were discovered between 1625 and 1660 either by the Dutch or the Germans and presented to England in the 1660s by Prince Rupert. One of these two sets of drops was formed by dropping molten glass into liquid nitrogen. Guess which one? Because the outside of the drop cools faster than the inside, there are very high compressive forces on the outside and tensile forces on the inside, giving it interesting properties. Ready for impact testing. Now for the hammer test. We're going to test these ones that were made in cold water. So these things are amazing. Here's the ones with liquid nitrogen. I'm going to whack them with this hammer. Well, I guess you kind of get the point. These are basically indestructible with compressive force and hammering. Here's one, and I've put it in a vise, and I'm going to try and crush it to see if I can really break it. I'm standing behind the camera, so when it explodes, I'm putting a lot of force on that, and nothing is happening. I'm really cranking this vise, and cannot even touch it. Now let's see what happens when we snap this little glass hair off. Here goes. Shot all over the place. Interestingly, the drops formed under liquid nitrogen did not shatter when the little glass thread was broken, the same way as the St. Rupert drops that were formed in water shattered. I still don't know why this is, but could not get them to do the same thing. I'm guessing that the drops formed under liquid nitrogen cool differently to the ones formed under water due to the Leidenfrost effect, which forms a layer of gas around the drop as it cools, changing the way that it cools when compared to water, but that's only a guess. The other interesting thing is the drops on the left were formed in nitrogen. Those on the right containing gas bubbles were formed in cold water. Thanks for watching, and please check back. Don't forget to subscribe.